Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting comparison video between two top-notch mirrorless digital cameras. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. When it comes to image quality, the Fujifilm X-T5 impresses with its class-leading 40.2 megapixel X-Trans 5-hour CMOS sensor. This sensor delivers outstanding results packed with remarkable detail across the native ISO range. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 7R Versus sports a groundbreaking 61.0 MP full-frame back-illuminated XMOR R CMOS sensor. Both cameras are capable of producing stunning high-resolution images that will leave you in awe. When it comes to ergonomics and controls, the Fujifilm X-T5 retains the classic X-series design with easy-to-access dials, allowing you to quickly adjust settings even with the camera switched off. Additionally, it offers a new 1.84 million dot, three-way tilting LCD and powerful in-body image stabilization. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 7R Versus introduces a whole new level of camera intelligence with its eye processing unit, providing enhanced autofocus capabilities and an advanced Bayon's XR engine for high-speed processing. In terms of video performance, the Fujifilm X-T5 offers impressive capabilities with its 4K recording at various frame rates. It provides powerful image-making performance to ensure it's ready for action, no matter the situation. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 7R Versus takes it a step further with 8K 24p 25p and 4K 60p 50p recording options, opening up new possibilities for professional filmmakers. And that wraps up our comparison between these exceptional mirrorless digital cameras. Both the Fujifilm X-T5 and Sony Alpha 7R Versus showcase outstanding features and capabilities, catering to different needs and preferences. Which one would you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.